All right, in this video we're going to be finding some unit rates based on the cost of fruit at the store. Okay, so this one, it shows us a table. In fact, can we see this table right here? So this is the table that we're going to be using, which you can also find in your book on page 162. All right, so it tells us that mangoes were purchased at 2 pounds for a certain dollar amount, and pears a certain amount for a dollar amount, and oranges for a certain amount, but none of them are at 1 pound. So we need to figure out how much it costs for 1 pound of each of these fruits. So our first one that we're doing is the mangoes, and it is 2 pounds for $2.60. So in order to find out what 1 pound is, we simply just need to divide this by 2. So $2.60 divided by 2 equals $1.30 per pound. And when you go to the store, that's how we look at the cost of meat and vegetables and fruits and nuts and other things, that we buy them per pound. Okay, the next one is pears. It's 2.5 pounds for $3.50. Okay, well, what did we do here? We took this dollar amount and we divided it by the amount of pounds purchased. So we're going to do the same thing here. So it's a perfect review for dividing decimals. So we're going to take $3.50 divided by the 2.5. So we take our decimal here and move it once to the right, and we move it once to the right, and we're going to put it right up here, and we're going to not worry about that for now. So how many times is 25 go into 35? 1 time. And we're going to subtract that, and we have 10, and we bring down that 0. So how many times does 25 go into 100? Well, we know that it's 4. And then we know that that's going to come out evenly. And because this is money, we're going to just stick an extra 0 on there, and that's our total. So over here we have $1.40 per pound. Okay, I'm going to erase this little part here so I can write this bottom part. And the last part we have is oranges. And the oranges are $2 or 2 pounds and a quarter, so 2.25 pounds for $2.70. Okay, so the exact same thing, but now we have a much larger division problem to do. So we have $2.70 divided by the 2 pounds, 2.25 pounds, and now we move this guy twice to the right and twice to the right here, put it up here. So 225 goes into 270 1 time. And notice I'm putting my 1 here above the 0 because I'm putting this whole number here into this whole number here. So we have to start our answer over the last digit of this section. Sometimes we put the 1 here and then we end up getting messed up a little bit because we have extra spaces. So be careful, make sure you put it over the last digit. Okay, we're going to take this and subtract. So 70 minus 25 is 45, because we borrowed from here, just like that. And then we're going to have an extra 0 come down. So now 225 into 450, well, what I know about 225, if I did this 200 times 2 is 400, and then 25 times 2 is 50, so I know it's going to fit into there exactly 2 times. So 450, even, and you bring down your last 0, and you add your 0 because it's a dollar amount. So this ends up being $1.20 per pound.